Hey, it's Gene. And do you remember your first deal? That first real estate deal? You were scared out of your mind. You were listening to other people who had done it before. Maybe they didn't. Maybe they're just some guru on TV telling you what to do, but they didn't do it themselves. Hey, we all had that first experience. I remember the first time I did what I'm doing right now. Man, I was scared. There was nobody teaching me, nobody showing me, nobody willing to even present it to me. Well, now I've literally taught thousands of people to do what I do, and it's a little known secret. It's an opportunity that's huge with millions and millions of people that will need exactly what it is that I provide and our students provide, but some of you have never even heard of it before. You don't have a clue. So if you'd like to learn more, I'm willing to show you how. Step by step, so you don't have to figure it out and hope that you make it. We'll make sure that you do. And if you're really serious about making huge money and helping other people, well, this could be the perfect fit for you. Let's find out. Let's discover together. We've got people on our staff waiting by to talk to you right now, to explain to you, but to answer your questions. Really to find out who you are and where you're going and how you choose to get there. We can help you, but we can't if you don't make the effort to call right here, right now. So go ahead, click the link. Let's set up a phone call so that we can have that conversation and we'll discover together if this is right for you. I'm Gene. Do good and do well.